Welcome guys, today I'm on the Marshall Emberton wireless speaker and I'm going to show you how you can enter the pairing mode on the speaker. So at the first, you have to power on the speaker and then click and hold on this Bluetooth button until this indicator starts blinking quickly. So let's make it right now. Click and hold. Right now we can release. As you can see, the indicator is blinking. So we have to open the Bluetooth settings on our smartphone, then select pair new device and take a look on available devices. Just be patient and wait until the speaker pops right here. As you can see, there it is. So select the speaker and after a few seconds you will get the pairing request. There it is. You can tap and right now you are connected. So that's how you can make it step by step. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.